Guys, I'm back with another video, and today we have got $1 million on our account. I've smashed it up in a private server, and today we are going to buy the new army helicopter in Jailbreak. I am also going to test this out with you guys and see how fast it goes, how its handling is, and much more. So let's go buy it. Enter driver. Buy the Black Hawk for 1 million. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Boom. We just bought the Black Hawk. Now let us fly this thing around. Look how fast it goes. It zooms everywhere. It has really good handling. And its durability is a long time. It can even explode things just by pressing the key mouse. Yeah, I like, and I think this should be the second $1 million vehicle you should get. The first one I would recommend is most likely the Volt, because it can zoom up hills and much more, and it's extremely glitchy and you can make good use out of it. And I also think that you should get one and the Volt, because they make pretty good escape vehicles. If you're trying to get away from a cop, you just climb the ladder and you escape in the Black Hawk. Not a lot of people have these vehicles, so it's easy to lock them and no one will really find them. I'm giving this an A+ because I suggest that it is really good. I think it's better than the default helicopter, and better than the jet. It's the best probably flying vehicle around, and that's why I recommend you buy it. You can also buy the Volt like I have, and I'm gonna show you the Volt right there. As I said, the Volt is extremely glitchy and you can fly up hills and much more. Just let me show you how glitchy it actually is. It can go through water, it can ride up hills, and smash into objects without flinging you. It's really good use if you're trying to get away from someone or you're trying to get somewhere that has a lot of hills. It has super road handling and off-road handling. So I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and turn on all post notifications if you like seeing me getting broke. I'm gonna be making more of these videos, in which one of them I will buy the Bugatti Chiron, and I will also buy some other items. I will also do how-tos and to help all of you get into the spirit of Jailbreak. Peace out.